Babe, move over a little.
You completely missed the bag. Like that. Look, you missed it. Look, here. You gotta throw it over. Ah! She's trying to get rid of it. Hector, get more paper, come on. No, get the paper. Alright, give me that. Santara, give me. Oh wait, I dropped this side, so a lot of it is not going to go in. Look. Yeah, I dropped one side, so you have to start over. Hector, pick up the paper, come on. Kaka, I see you. Put it in the bag, Hector, come on. Hector, look, there's more paper, yo. Kaka, you serious?
Daddy.
Ah.
Do this.
Ah.
Yo, Baba.
Hector! Leave it. Go pick up the paper.
Daddy.
Yeah, pick up the paper. Hurry up. Yeah, just pick it up. Any paper. Just grab one. This kid got ADD. Pick up the paper, man. Now.
Almost finished. Hector!
Just finished. Oh, that's why the noise was bothering me.
Babe, he's supposed to be helping.
Hector, get the paper. All right, come here. Put that in here too. And grab papers. Especially for one more and that's it. You're gonna finish it. Put it in there. Now pick up the paper. Get a little more, Cheetah. I said to put one more. Yo, Funky, come here. Pick up, that's it. Hector, put it in here. You're gonna do it by yourself now. You got it. Get the rest of it right there. Hurry up. Well, be careful. Alright, go, get more. Go get more. Hurry up, hurry up. A little more, come on, look. Hurry up, you're almost finished, you gotta finish. Hurry up, hurry up. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, put it in.
Baby.
Oh, really?
It's pretty?
Yeah.
Come on, hey. ADD, pick up the paper.
What's that?
That's Hector.
ADD.
Yeah. Alright, this is taking too long.
Really?
Middle.
Then we can celebrate. You can celebrate paper. Woo, paper. We can celebrate paper.
How long is that video going for now?